Darwin currently works in Europe. He wrote to ask for an advice as to the proper action he should take against the person who refuses to return the money to them that was unlawfully taken from them. According to Darwin, they entrusted to the wife the responsibility of remitting to the bank their monthly amortization for the property that they bought here in the Philippines. During the first year, their account was current and all amortizations were paid on time. After the first year of payment, they discovered that they fell in arrears for 6 months. His wife's aunt failed to remit their monthly payments. Darwin wanted to run after his wife's aunt in order to get back the amount of 300,000 pesos. However, his problem is that he cannot simply go home to the Philippines as his job does not permit him to do so. Darwin wants to know how he can file a case even if he is abroad. He wants to know what a demand letter is and what replevin is all about. Darwin, should your wife's aunt still refuse to return the amount of 300,000 pesos despite your fervent request to her, you may draft a demand letter addressed to her. Write down how you entrusted her with your money intended for the monthly amortizations of your property and how she never remitted the money to the bank. Thereafter, give her a number of days to pay back the money she got from you. Remember that a demand letter is an action preparatory to a filing of suit in court. A demand letter will also serve as one of your primary pieces of evidence against the person you are about to sue. Should your wife's aunt still refuse or fail to pay the amount you are demanding from her, you may cause the commencement of the filing of an action against her for collection of sum of money. Since it is quite impossible for you to file the action personally, you may ask your lawyer to draft a special power of attorney in favor of a person whom you trust to commence, file, enter into an amicable settlement, and conclude the legal proceeding for you. Regarding your question as to what a replevin is, you are referring to a provisional remedy under Rule 57 of the Rules of Court. It is a process resorted to by a litigant to preserve and protect his rights and interests during the pendency of an action and for the purpose of ultimately effecting a final judgment in a case. In applying for such provisional remedy, the bond that you should be required to post is equivalent to the value of the property that you seek to attach. Should the be granted by the court, it shall be the sheriff who shall implement the same. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information you will give us. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. Attorney Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.